everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY, we are going to be using my Cricut. And speaking of Cricut, my friends over at Crafit, and that's C-R-A-F-I-T, sent me over this handy crafting cart. It was delivered in just a few days. And as you can see, it was securely packed in 2 separate boxes. When I opened the inner box, I immediately found the instruction manual, which I loved. After I removed the top layer of styrofoam, I could see how well and organized the parts were inside the box. I laid out all the parts, grabbed the instruction manual, and got to work. And by the way, they do offer an assembly video, so if you don't like to read instructions, you can watch the video. Just scan the QR code to access the video. Now, as for me, I used the instruction manual and got to work on my own. So Mr. Kylo decided that he wanted to make his debut in this video. Guys, he knew that I was recording. Okay, back to the cart. I put the dowels in place and I was done. And just like that, here's my brand new crafting cart from Crafit. The dowels on the side makes it easy to get to your rolls of vinyl, and not only that, it looks attractive too. On the front of the cart, it has this convenient drawer that you can use to organize your tools. That's something I'll be doing soon when I find the right organizer tray. It has 2 additional shelves and another compartment that you can use to organize more of your products. Now, let's take a look at my Cricut in action on its new crafting station. So if you're in need of a crafting cart or a crafting table, head on over to Amazon and get yours now. They have a variety of crafting carts and tables to choose from. Oh, and here's the best part. You'll get 10% off when you use my code. You'll find my personal code and associated links in the description below. Please check them out. They have so many different things that I plan on purchasing in the future. So yeah, check them out. Okay, so on to the DIY. Now, with this one, we are going to be using this pumpkin mug that I found at Dollar Tree. I also found this one at Dollar Tree as well. There's a SKU for this one. I think I might have already pulled the SKU off this one, but it's Royal Norfolk. I think that's a decent brand too. I guess they both are. But yeah, we are going to be using these mugs, and you guys have seen me use these round acrylic blanks. They have like a little hole in them. I'm going to be using some of these as well. And what I'm going to do is a pumpkin mug for Halloween, and I'm also going to do a breast cancer awareness mug on this one. I've been asked a few times to do something for breast cancer awareness, and I'm going to do it since it is the month of October and it's also my birthday month. I'm going to go ahead and clean these up, remove the labels, and I'm going to spray paint this one pink. And when I come back, I'll show you the spray paint that I use, and then we'll be able to move on with the DIY. These are the 2 images that I made for my orange cup on my Cricut. Okay, and now we have this little face on there. Isn't it cute? I'm actually making this cup for Eden. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and put a clear coating of spray paint on the entire mug. And then I'll figure out if Eden wants to keep it as a cup for her pencils or whatnots, or if she wants to keep it as a drinking mug. If she wants to keep it as a drinking mug, I'll come back later and add a little bit more decorations to it. And of course, I'll add the epoxy on it, but I will do that on my second channel. and I'll link that below. Guys, I am going to start uploading more stuff on the second channel more than just home decor, so stay tuned. Now I'll take this outside and put one coat of the clear acrylic lacquer on top and then return. Hey guys, so my spray paint is still drying on my pink cup. Let's just go ahead and move on to the next part of the DIY. Again, I'm going to be using some of these small acrylic discs that I picked up at Amazon.com, and I'll link them below. Ahead of time, I went ahead and picked out some breast cancer designs. Here's one with the pumpkin. It says hope with the ribbon. And then I kept the inside that I weeded out and put it on another one. This one I have already clear coated, and I put a top coat of UV resin on top. This one I haven't. Next, I have another disc that I put some pink spray paint on the back and a coat of clear. Here's the pink spray paint that I used, and it's called Sweet Pea, and I picked this up from Walmart. I think they carry it at Amazon too. If so, I'll link it in the description box below. Guys, if you watch any of my DIYs, you'll see links to most of the things that I use when I can find the links. If I can't, I will have it listed. And that's for a lot of you guys who don't realize that I do put the products that I use in the description. Here's the clear that I'm using. I found this at Hobby Lobby. It's a whole lot cheaper than the ones that I normally get from Walmart. I have these pumpkins that I've already weeded out from the Cricut, and I have a breast cancer ribbon. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and transfer these over, and then just put my pumpkin on here. Isn't that pretty? Lift that up. We have this one, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and take these outside. I'm going to clear coat this one with the clear spray paint. This one I'm going to clear coat as well on the front. This one we'll work on in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and spray paint the back of this one pink and then come back. I went ahead and removed the back off this one. I have some iridescent large flakes of pink glitter. And then I have this really fine, pretty glitter as well. I'm going to go with the chunky glitter for this one. And I'm going to use this one on the other one just so you guys can see the difference. So I'm going to take some of my UV resin and put it inside this cup. And I'm just going to add a few flakes, not a lot, of my pink glitter. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take the tray out of here. Put this on top. And I'm just going to lay this on top of it, let it dome, and then set it with my UV lamp. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and put on my respirator mask. I'm back with the pink mug. I sealed it with the clear spray paint. I have a few runs here and there, but I'm not going to worry about it. I did notice there was like a little crack here. I'm going to try and hide that. Alright, so let's go ahead with the first design. The first one is breast cancer awareness. I'm going to try something different to lift this. Okay guys, as you know, I'm sure you could see that the camera died right when I was getting ready to put this on. But I went ahead and finished it off camera. I ended up with 3 parts. Breast cancer awareness, and then month, and then this part with those little outlines. Turned out really pretty, right? Now for the back, I want to make it a little bit more Halloweenish. So I'm going to add some pumpkins to the back. I also have a breast cancer ribbon with some bats. Okay, so I have a couple of extra bats. I want to go ahead and put them on here. Now, as for this one, I'm going to keep this as a drinkable mug. The other one might end up being a drinkable mug too. We'll see. I'm going to do that on my second channel, so come on over and watch. I think I want to go ahead and add a few more bats and maybe some more stars, but we'll see. You want on this zipper or this zipper? That one?
This one.
Okay.
Like the big part.
Okay.
Mom, is this for my class?
Okay guys, so as for this one, this is what it looks like on the back. You can easily add someone's name if you want to, but yeah, you can attach it to your purse. You can use it as a key ring. And here I just added some beads. And actually, these pretty little pink beads are from Dollar Tree. These clear beads I already had. These little clear iridescent beads are from Dollar Tree as well. And so are these findings. But yeah, I can easily add some more beads to it. I probably will. This will be listed in my Etsy shop. The first person that wants it will get it. And again, like I said, I can add a name on the back if you want to. Next up, I have this one. This one has the pink large iridescent flakes on the inside and then the white background. I haven't added any beads to this, but it can be personalized as well. Here's the other one with the real tiny glitter. Again, the name could be put on the back. I'm going to add a key ring to this one as well. And I can add some beads. This one will be on my Etsy shop as well. So back to our cups. Again, I'll be finishing them completely on my second channel, but I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of accents here. Here you can see the ribbon. I decided to add some glitter to it. And this is just a little bit of white glitter in the UV resin. Isn't that pretty? That made me want to add some of this beautiful pink glitter to the pumpkins. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to take some of my UV resin, put some inside here. And some of my glitter. And now I need to keep this mixture away from my light, otherwise it'll set up. So I'm just going to take this little tool that I have here that I picked up at Dollar Tree and use it to put the glitter and UV mixture onto my pumpkin. If you have a little spill, just go ahead and remove that. Okay, now I'll set it. Okay, just like that. And I'm trying to stay inside the black lines. I really don't want the mixture on the lines. Eventually, after I'm done putting all of the glitter on, I will let it sit under the UV light an extra 6 to 10 minutes just to make sure that it's set. What you want to do is when you put it on, you want to set that immediately. You want to stop it from moving. Okay, so let's just go to the stem. So I'm going to continue to do that off camera and then come back. So here's what it looks like with the pink glitter on it. Again, here's the other side. Now, again, this will be for sale on my Etsy. I'm going to finish it up on my second channel. It's going to be a drinkable cup, so I'm going to apply resin to it. If someone orders, I can add your name to the cup here or even on the handle. So it's up to you guys. So again, this will be the only one. I'm not going to make another one. Any cups that I do on my Etsy will be original cups. Maybe I can copy some of the things about certain cups that you see, but I won't be making identical cups. Everything will look different. Now back to Eden's cup. She wanted me to add some ghosts and some bats to her. I thought it was funny to add like a little comical bats with the eyes for a little girl. And there's an evil looking ghost that goes with this evil face, and there's a ghost here. I'll be finishing up her cup on the other channel as well. This completes my breast cancer / Halloween DIY. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's absolutely free, and it's my birthday month. So if you guys can send me some followers, I would love that. My short-term goal is to reach 400,000 subscribers by the end of the year. It would be amazing if I could get to 500. I've seen it done, so if we really push and let everybody know what I'm doing on my channel, that would help. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a couple of days with another Christmas DIY.